Okay, so now currently I'm working on a project which is I'm making a cake shop game kind of thing in Scratch. Like recently in our module, Scratch was introduced, and I know a little bit of coding and all. Like I was having my um, like 11th 12th on computer science, so Java and Python, HTML I know about that all. So मेरे को उतना और Scratch में like उतनी ज़रूरत है भी नहीं. It's very basic, little bit of tricky to identify the blocks exactly, but yeah, that was a thing. And again, what more? So I'm working on that particular game one, and second is that I'm working on my studio work, which is like our jury is very near. Like I think only 2 weeks left. The last week of November is our jury. Any one day will be mine. So 2 weeks are left. So I'm working on the studio work, also the stitching wala part, which I showed you in one of the shots, and in my previous video also. You can go and see and check it out. That what I'm working on, I have explained it there. And if you need more explanation, I will be giving you, but after my jury itself. And so I'm working on that, and eventually I'm working on two of the things more. I Yeah, nothing is there more. One is going on, the module is going on, which is all about like sensor based and all that stuff. So I'm working on that currently. And in college, not like homework type, nothing is there, so I'm very free in that sense. So I'm working on the other part. And yeah, I'm just making the scratch wala thing. I don't think it will be completed today, but I will try ki half of it should be done. So at very first, I'm just making the assets, and this is the very first asset which will be there in the very front, like the opening of the game, which is the front of the shop. It's just a basic and just a rough sketch of what I will make or what I'm thinking of doing, and I will just fare it up. And yeah, it's just a simple cake shop in the front, like cakes will be there. And it will be a aesthetic bright, like a low dim color also I'm thinking of adding. So there's a lot of thing in my brain, so I'm just doing all that. Okay, so after all this, I just thought of making the variables, which is very important, variables and list in the scratch. So I'm just doing that and starting the background one thing. So here I have just completed the rough sketch which I made, and this is the layers I have put and used in it. And yeah, I think this is the good version of my rough sketch, and I'm just thinking here of adding a cute rabbit kind of shopkeeper, maybe a rabbit or something else, but it should be an animal based. It looks cute, like to keep some animals or some kind of thing. And I have tried to keep the aesthetic very greenish, or very not that like um light up or something. I've just kept it very dim kind of thing. And yeah, like plants and cakes and all that stuff. So here I've added the entire thing, like the rabbit. I just thought of adding it, and I have just made it little like a brighter kind of thing with the lights and all. It's splattering out. Maybe I want the lights to be little more. Background should be little more like cleared one. Maybe I will be doing that later on. But yeah, this is okay. So here I have already coded for my customer. I have put four customers in it, and I've put the costumes differently. And yeah, I've just made the coding for the customers and the shopkeeper. So yeah, this is just a progress of my work, and I think it's almost 6:55. I mean 7, and I'm just thinking of switching myself to the studio work. After just seeing this, I'm just thinking of switching to my work. Yeah. So I have three cakes for now in my scratch. So these are the three recipes which I have made, so that the user can see the recipe and follow it and make the particular cake. Okay, so it's almost done. Like now I have to do another work which is just left. That is key. I have to code for every single like batter, the whipped cream which I've added, then the toppings which I have added. So I have to code for every single ingredients. I've added total 9. So 9 ingredients के लिए 9 code करना पड़ेगा. So I'm just thinking of taking a break, and I knew today it will not be completed obviously because I am doing similar works, like more work with it. So yeah, maybe in next video you will get the complete whole game, and maybe it will be completed by next 2 days, and I will be posting it on the next week as usual. I post, upload, and maybe I will be giving you a few of the glimpse of it in my store, in my shorts video. So yeah, tell them, be with me, and bye bye.